Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of the multiple development projects worth over rupees 17,000 crore in Rajasthan under Viksit Bharat Viksit Rajasthan program via video conferencing. The budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly began today. Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan addressed the House, and members also paid their respect to different leaders who have passed away recently. The GSLV F-14 carrying Insat 3DS is scheduled to launch at 5:30 p.m. tomorrow from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. Israel has claimed to eliminate senior Hezbollah commander and his deputy in air raid. In retaliation, Hezbollah has fired dozens of rockets at northern Israel. The Trinamool Congress leader Mukul Sangma has announced that the party will contest the Lok Sabha election from Tura seat. He said that the party is still discussing about contesting the polls from Shillong seat.